morning, St. Mary School, and welcome to the St. Mary Morning News. My name is Madeline Dyer.
And my name is Thomas Carlisle. Today is April 17th, 2015.
Today for lunch is chicken sandwich, chips, carrots, fruit, and your original choice of milk or juice.
Today the weather will be...
Now it is time for the completely random, totally pointless, really odd information that you only use when you're talking to your flash dad, and your flash dad will be like, "Where'd you learn that?" And you'll be like, "At St. Mary School, where I grow in character, faith, and
knowledge
segment."
Google was originally called Backrub.
That's interesting. Next, on to our history segment.
80 years ago, the Dust Bowl covered out plains.
That's Sandy.
Now it is time for trivia.
Yesterday's question was, what is the capital of Australia?
The answer is Canberra.
The question for today is, what is the largest city in Nigeria?
Tune in tomorrow for the answer.
That's all for today.
Have a Freaky Friday!